Hello everybody, we're going to be doing an unboxing today. This is an item in for repair. Let's get the knife open. I do quite a bit of these. Alright, we're opening this up. We've got to give Cotty cookies so she behaves. Give Cotty cookies. Okay, well, you don't need to send the bracket whenever you send these, but that's an MR195408. That is a turbocharged. So I'll get that into the repair queue. And I'll give you updates.